Flour, Daddy. Flour, Daddy. Egg wash. Breadcrumbs. Breadcrumbs, and then take it to the fryer. Which one's the hottest one?
This one.
Okay, and we want to do it for 1 minute and 30 seconds. So 1 minute and 30 seconds exactly. Pop it onto the tray. Allow it to rest for 2 minutes. In the interim, just need to toast one side of the sliced brioche. Yeah, the katsu sando. Bread toasted one side. Place it down. Hot English mustard. Small amount, a thin layer on one slice of the bread. A bit more than that. Very thin layer. Next, teriyaki onions. Evenly spread it onto the bread. Like so. Add the beef. Close the sandwich. Remove the crusts. Cut the sandwich into 4. You have to flip them both. Then try and find the most beautiful sides. Beautiful size, a little bit of sea salt. That's it. Katsu sando.